14 na munisipalidad at syudad
Sa ikalawang palapag ng bahay ni Nesian, ang bahang nagpalubog sa barangay Tatalon
na
sa Quezon City.
nagmisulang ilog dahil sa baha kahapon.
After heavy rains due to Typhoon Karina, most of Luzon area is devastated by flood. So, once the car, appliances, even tools and equipments is drowned by the flood, expect rust and corrosion, came after. How to protect your equipments from rust and corrosion? Well, worry no more. Introducing REXCO 50 Multi Purpose Lubricant. It helps to prevent rust and corrosion building up. Here's one of the example of equipment rust building up after getting flood. Allow the lubricant penetrates the rust, so it can easily be removed. It penetrates 3 times faster than other leading brand.